Welcome to our CapCut AI YouTube automation and faceless videos tutorial compilation. Today, explore turning scripts into videos, crafting faceless content, and more on mobile. Now, let's carefully explore how to utilize the video script function in your CapCut app, which is quite handy for creating engaging content. Now let's carefully discuss how to effectively use the CapCut app on your phone for video editing. Yes, you can utilize its features, but there's a catch. Some versions vary. In various versions of CapCut, the differences can be significant, even in style and features. For instance, I have an interesting option available. This feature is called AutoCut, and it allows you to create video scripts effortlessly. You simply input your ideas, and it generates videos based on your input. You write your ideas, and then a video is generated based on your request, as you can see here. Many of you might have experienced this. You upload your chosen image, and then it automatically creates a stunning edit for you. You might get a stunning edit or just a simple video. For example, when you click on this video, as you can see here, it transforms your ideas into visuals. This video does it all for you, as you can see here. You really don't have to do much at all. Just enjoy the results. Just upload your content. And that's it. You can add anything you like, and once you've chosen, everything is ready to go. Just find the video you like, press export, and that's all there is to it. It's simple and incredibly easy, as you can see. It's easy and simple, as you can see. You can even change the music in this video. For example, you can add any other video you like, and then simply press export to finish the process. There are many different types of music, and a variety of videos available here indeed. Thank you all for watching, wishing you good luck, and goodbye. Now, let me carefully explain how to transform a long video into engaging shorts using AI in the CapCut app on your phone. In the CapCut app on your phone, let's begin by opening the app and exploring its features to create amazing videos together. Start by tapping on All Tools, then carefully look for AutoCut in the menu. This feature will help you edit your videos efficiently. Now, click on it and then add your long videos. For instance, let's choose this one as an example. I have this kind of video, and as you can see, it generates everything you need for your project seamlessly now. Now, let's turn off what we have. And as you can see, there are many different options available for you here. There are various templates that you can use for your TikTok, such as this one, which is incredibly versatile and user-friendly. There are many different options available here. If you have a video that's 5 minutes or even 10 minutes long, let's explore. Just long videos contain many important moments, and CapCut helps you highlight them effectively, as you can see here. It automatically does everything, and adds all the moments here, as you can see. It adds, essentially, that if you have a video lasting a minute, you can also include it in. Now, let's explore CapCut and choose the perfect template for your video clips. That's all for now. Thank you everyone for watching. Thanks for watching everyone. Good luck to you all, and goodbye for now. Now, let me explain how to create an AI interview with yourself using CapCut on your phone. This effect makes it seem like one person is asking questions to another. It appears as if one person is asking questions to another individual, creating a fascinating dynamic between the two characters, as you can see here in this engaging format. This format is incredibly popular for TikTok and Shorts. First, we need to gather our ideas and plan the questions carefully to create an engaging experience for viewers. We can start by recording our first video, where one person, for example, asks questions to another, creating an engaging dialogue. For example, let's select a video right here, and any random clip will do just fine, like this one, as we prepare to create our engaging interview format. Now, as you can see here, you've asked a question, and now you need to add more details to enhance the conversation further. Now let's move to the next step. Select another video where you respond to that question, enhancing your engaging content. For example, this is your video. Now let's carefully trim it a bit to enhance the quality. Just a little adjustment will make it more engaging and polished. Now, let's carefully remove that part, and also this one. The simplest way is to just delete it after you've asked your question. Now, let's focus on that amazing transition. You can add it here, so let's choose a smooth transition effect to make your video even more captivating. This cool transition is amazing. I'm not sure how to add a specific effect, but let's explore some options together for your video. You can also add a cool transition here, making each moment more engaging as you ask your question, enhancing the video. Here, you answered the question, and that's it. It's easy and simple. Now, for an even greater effect, you can change things up. The outfit or filming location, for example, you recorded a video in one spot, and now you respond in another. You can also use a different location for filming, and for the voiceover, you can utilize a video featuring your own voice as you see. For example, if you want to create a video with your own voice, as you can see here, just click on this option to proceed. First, don't click on the video. Instead, look for subtitles and auto-generated captions. You will create your own subtitles, and after that, you can edit them as needed, as you can see here. You create your voice, and now let's craft some text. For example, this kind of text will serve as your script. As you can see here, it will be engaging and effective for your project. Now, as you can see here, click OK for subtitles. Then carefully search for the text options and select any voice you prefer for your project. For example, this kind of voice will represent you, and you will engage in a conversation with another version of yourself, creating an intriguing dialogue that captivates your audience effectively. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now. Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to create faceless YouTube videos using AI. First, you'll need to gather your ideas and script carefully. Now let's dive into what faceless videos are. These are clips created without filming yourself, typically featuring no personal face, just engaging visuals and audio. They use audio narration and background visuals, along with subtitles. Step 1. Let's discuss what we really need to do to get started effectively. Now let's focus on preparing your script by writing a short text related to your video topic, ensuring it's engaging and clear. As you explore fascinating historical facts, consider what you're sharing in your video. Are you inspiring someone to take action or learn more? Now let's move to step 2. You need to create audio narration. To do this effectively, simply enter the video platform and begin. You can add your video or photo. It doesn't really matter. What's important is to focus on what you're creating, whether it's a video or just an image. Now, as you can see here, after adding your photo where you share something, you must click on the text option next. Now, let's move on to the next step. Carefully add text and write an engaging first word that will set the tone for your video, capturing your audience's attention. Let's say this word will be it, and then click OK. If you find it uncomfortable to type the words, you can simply use voice input instead. Now, as you can see here, to add standard auto-generated subtitles, simply click on the Generate button, and subtitles will be created for you. To enhance your video, click on the text option, then select Edit Text. Here you can remove any unnecessary elements to improve clarity and engagement. Different voices that you will absolutely enjoy. Simply click this option, and as you can see here, everything will be loaded successfully. Now that you've listened, what will you do next? After creating your voice, you must carefully proceed with the next steps. Now let's move to adding videos or images. You can use your own regular photos or visuals to enhance your content effectively. You can even create everything after this step. Then you add music, and that's it. Now, let's wrap it up. Thank you for watching. Good luck to all. Goodbye. Now let me explain how to automate YouTube by creating faceless videos using AI and CapCut on your phone, step by step, as you can see here. Creating faceless videos using AI and CapCut on your phone is easy. First, you must gather your ideas and prepare your content carefully. Use AI to write your text, yes, on a specific topic like technology, gaming, or anything you need. For example, you can focus on topics like earning money, emerging technologies, education, gaming, or whatever you truly need. Next, you need to create AI voiceover. You enter the video editor, add some visuals, and then proceed to generate the voiceover. Here's the video you add, and after that, you must carefully create the AI voiceover to ensure it aligns perfectly with your visuals and message. You either enter the text section, add your script, and then begin typing your content carefully for the video project. The text that AI created for you on a specific topic can be incredibly useful for your project, as you can see here. You can easily do this in your ChatGPT or any other platform. Just write down your ideas and let creativity flow. Create an AI-generated text for me on a specific topic, just like that. And that's it. Here you go. As you can see, you enter all this information and then you simply click on something like this. Okay? You're all set. Now choose the text to ship and select the voiceover. But wait, who will actually be speaking in this video? A woman stands by, and there's a man nearby as well. Yes, indeed. Now, take your time to choose wisely between them, as you can see here. Now after that, you will need to create images for this project, as you can see here. You step out and enter the AI Tools section, but wait, not here, not yet. You need to go to that specific area over there. Yes, right where she is waiting for you, as you can see here. Here's the text-to-image feature. Now here you can carefully select an existing image that suits your project perfectly, as you can see here. You can choose there a realistic image or some trendy picture. Yes, as you can see here, carefully. You simply click select and immediately you get that. You could say, prompt ready for your next creative project, as you can see. Now, let's move to the next step, which is to create everything you need for your project. Transform this image into a video, and finally, at the very end, you can create subtitles to enhance viewer engagement, as you see. You might not need subtitles, but if you have that video you voiced over, you can enhance it with some engaging elements. You can also add this video and click on Auto Subtitles right here. Then carefully select the text you want to use. And auto subtitles are ready. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching. Wishing you good luck and saying goodbye. Now, let me carefully guide you on how to create a virtual studio for a blogger using AI and CapCut on your phone. It's easier than you might think. First, you need to open your CapCut app on your phone. After that, carefully select the Idols option. Here, you will choose the text labeled Image to proceed to the next step. Next, you must carefully enter a prompt here so that a unique image will be generated for your virtual studio project. For instance, if you need an image for a specific business, you should craft a prompt tailored to your business needs. As you can see here, you might write that you want a table with various papers, documents, or other relevant items on it. This way, the generated image will perfectly reflect your business theme, enhancing the overall virtual studio experience for your audience. If it's a podcast, write studio in your prompt. Create a beautiful studio and ensure everything is nicely arranged. Just access your ChatGPT and ask for help. Now that your image is generated, you can save this picture, any one you created, for your virtual studio project. After that, what do you do next? You need to access your image and then click on it to remove the background. How is this done, you ask? First, select the background removal tool, carefully adjust the settings, and ensure a clean result. This way, your image will look professional. Now, as you can see here, click on the Auto Remove Background option. When you do this, the background will be automatically removed. However, at this moment, I actually don't want the background to be removed just yet. Let's add it once more, as it has been removed. So what do we do next? You need to set up your virtual studio. This is an essential step as it will provide the perfect backdrop for your content. Carefully arrange your elements to create an engaging environment for your audience. Once you've removed the background, you can add your image to your studio setup, creating a great backdrop. After this, as a suggestion, consider adding AI voiceover to enhance your content. This will make your videos more engaging and professional. How is it done? First, you enter the auto subtitles section, or alternatively, you can simply add some text. For instance, if you have a brief message, just type it in. This will enhance your video content significantly. After this step, you save your work and then navigate to the To Ship section. Here you can select any voice you prefer. There are options for male, female, older, and younger voices. Choose one that best fits the style of your video, as this will enhance the overall presentation. Carefully consider your audience and the tone you want to convey, ensuring a perfect match for your content. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and see you soon. Thank you for joining us on this CapCut AI journey. We hope these lessons have empowered you to create amazing faceless videos and automate your YouTube content. Remember to practice, unleash your creativity, and refine your skills. Subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.